Hello, I'm Anita Birtles and today I'm here with another scrappy quilt. As you know, I absolutely adore scrappy quilts. But this one is slightly different because it's not making a scrappy all over. It's about those scraps that really mean something to you. On this quilt here, it's called Highlight on Scraps, and it may look like it's odd bits, but those are all really important to me, those scraps in there. I have just cut 1.5 inch pieces and sewn 1/4 inch along the side. I then fold it back and iron it. I want to put this piece across here to put that highlight in.